Welcome to the CBSE Class 12 Board Exam 2025-26 Complete Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your success in the upcoming exams. Let's get started. Step 1 is registration. For most students, this will be through your school. Private candidates will need to register through regional CBSE offices. You must have completed Class 11 or an equivalent qualification to be eligible. Registration windows open in October-November 2025. Next up, exam fees and important dates. The fee structure ranges from 1500 rupees to 2500 rupees depending on your category. The board exams will be held from February 15 to April 4, 2026 in the traditional pen and paper format. If you need a retake, compartment exams are scheduled for July 2026. The CBSE has introduced a new exam pattern for 2025-26 designed to test not only your knowledge but your critical thinking and application skills. The exam will consist of 20% multiple choice questions, 30% competency-based questions, and 50% descriptive questions. Depending on your stream, the marking scheme will vary. In the science stream, subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology will have 70 marks for theory and 30 for practical. Commerce students will have 80 marks theory and 20 marks for project work. Mathematics and languages and humanities will follow similar patterns. CBSE has streamlined the syllabus to focus more on conceptual understanding and problem solving. Some topics have been removed to align with the National Education Policy 2020. Keep an eye on the official CBSE website for a complete list of deleted topics. Understanding the exam format is key. Expect 40% easy questions, 40% moderate difficulty, and 20% higher order thinking questions. The skills assessed will include analytical thinking, the application of concepts, and clear written communication. Now let's talk preparation. Start by mastering the basics. Understand the exam pattern and marking scheme. Practice strategically with sample papers and focus on writing clear, concise answers. Don't forget to revise regularly and create concise notes for quick revision. For official information, always refer to the CBSE website and academic portal. They provide essential resources like syllabi, sample papers, and exam notifications. Additionally, apps like My CBSE Guide and resources from College Dunya can help you with study materials and mock tests. Success in the CBSE Class 12 exams is built on 3 pillars: smart study, consistent practice, and confidence. Focus on understanding concepts, practice regularly, and believe in your preparation. Stay consistent and you'll surely achieve your goals. Best of luck!